On my channel, I've got over 150 tutorials on using Studio One. These are also grouped into playlists by topic to make it easier to find the help that you're looking for. But if you're someone who is having a tough time getting started with using the software or would like more personal training, I do offer one-on-one sessions done via web conferencing. This is done using Zoom, and in this way you can share your screen with me and I can guide you through whatever it is that you'd like to learn or that you're having issues with. So instead of spending an hour or two searching the web for answers for what it is that you're trying to learn, they can be answered in minutes, saving you lots of time and frustration. If you'd like, you can even allow me control over Studio One, and then I can show you directly how to accomplish whatever it is that you're wanting to achieve with the software. So if you're interested in more information, I've put my available times and hourly rate in the description section of this video. I'll also pin a comment below with a link to my website where you can find more details. Otherwise, thanks for your support of the channel. Your views and likes are much appreciated. Take care.